Howdy, happy campers. It's Corvo with Rich and Sons. I just wanted to let you guys know about this Flagstaff that we just got in on trade. It's fantastic. Basically, a sister company of Rockwood. Same camper overall, just under a different name for the non-compete clause. But as we go up here, up the solid steps, I mean, the camera really doesn't do it justice. Basically, brand new. At this point in time, it's a 23, and yet just by smelling it, it still smells like the fresh furniture. It still smells like the wood, like it just came off a lot. I mean, you have an amazing here front kitchen by the front cap. And as we go here into the utilities as well as the sofa, right in front of the TV, so you get that nice view. Plus, folds down so you have the proper cup holders, and they are electric, so they recline stuff like that with your control. And as we move here into the shower, one of the best things about Rockwood is that they still use the gas electric water heaters, which are more reliable. And in addition to that, they have the addition of having a shower miser, so you don't actually get to waste your water while you're waiting for it to heat up. You can just click it, it'll recycle the water, and then when you're ready, turn it back to the normal setting and take a shower like normal. And another luxury of Rockwood, you get, or Flagstaff, again, basically the same company, you get a ceramic toilet, which is huge. And as we come in here into the bedroom, nice big queen bed, nice closet here with plenty of storage. And overall, guys, the deals on this one are cannot get any sharper, especially now that we're at the end of the year sale. Give me a call, 308-222-5413. Let's set something up.